Hello champions, welcome to the next lecture on the IIT Jam Mathematical Statistics. Today I will explain you how you can solve the question number 46 to 50 with the help of the shortcut tricks. Myself Dr. Harish Garg, you can follow my YouTube channel and find the playlist of the mathematical statistics. You can see the complete mathematical statistics solutions are uploaded with the help of the shortcut tricks. You can follow my channels, and if you are interested to join with me, you can scan and join my free WhatsApp group to all of you. Now, in this lecture, we will see how we can solve all these questions in just the 15 to 30 second time periods. Fine. Now, first question is related to the conditional distribution. Y condition X. First of all, X and Y both are my normal distributions. Then definitely Y condition X also follows my normal distribution with the parameter mean and the variance. Fine. So what is the mean of the conditional distribution? Because y is dependent on the x, so I can write as a mean of the y plus correlation standard deviation of the y over x into x minus mean of the x, and the variance is standard variance of the y into 1 minus correlation. Fine. So can you find the distribution? What is the x? X is my 2 minus what is the mean? Mean is my 2, so that will be the 0. So what is the variance mean of the y? So that answer is my 10. Variance of the y 25. Correlation is rho, और वही आपको निकालना है इसमें. Fine. So that number will be 10, 25, 1 minus rho square. Is it okay? ये बन गया ना आपके पास. नाउ अब आप इस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को z में कन्वर्ट कर लीजिए. आई कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट 10 फ्रॉम द बोथ साइड, दैट विल बी -6 y minus 10 is less than of the 6, which is equal to 0.8664. उसके बाद इसको स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन से डिवाइड कर देते हैं. 5 √1 minus rho square, 5 √1 minus rho square, 5 √1 minus. Now because you can see this is symmetric, ये वैल्यू आपकी z बन गई. So I can write, ये आपका अगर आप नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से देखो, द सेंटर नंबर इज माई 0, ये नंबर आपका नेगेटिव है, जो भी नंबर है ये वही आपका पॉजिटिव है. सो आई कैन राइट एज ए ट्वाइस ऑफ 0 to. फाइन, ये लिख सकता हूं ना ऐसे, ये क्या होगा ट्वाइस, तो मैं ट्वाइस को उधर से डिवाइड कर दे रहा हूं. इट्स 0.4332. अब आप देखो 0.4332 ये नंबर दिया हुआ है, दैट इज माई CDF. फाइंड इट्स 0.9332, इसका मतलब ये वाली वैल्यू इसने ऐड कर दी 0.5, तो ये नंबर क्या हो गया आपका, दैट नंबर इज 1.5. so therefore 6/5 √1 minus rho square, that must be 1.5. तो ये निकाल लो आप, कितना हो गया 6/5, 1.5 ये डिवाइड हो गया, सो फाइन इट विल बी 1 minus rho square. तो कितना हो गया आंसर, ये 5 into 2, 3 2 3 5, so 4/5. 1 minus rho square is 4/5. That means rho square will be 9/25. Rho is my 3/25 because rho is given as a positive. So 3/5. 3/5 is 0.6 is my right answer of the problem. Look at the next one. Xi's are the sequences of the IID. Fine. Which are convergent, which are from the uniform distribution of 0,3. Then yn is convergent in probability. क्या था, मैंने आपको बताया जब भी IID हो then it will be convergent to the expected value of, ये y किसका मीन है, ये that is the mean of xn square. Fine. So that is the mean of, so that is the target. फाइन. और अगर एक्साइज आपके यूनिफॉर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द एक्साइज, व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द एक्स, a plus b divided by 2. Variance of the x is b minus a whole square over 12. b is equal to 3, a is my 0 divided by 12. so ये वेरिएंस, इसको वेरिएंस से लिख सकते हैं ना, So that will be 9/12 plus e of x whole square. यही तो होता है ना फॉर्मूला, e of x square minus ex whole square. That is a formula for the variance which is equal to 9/12. तो ये कितना आंसर हो गया? 3334. So 3/4 plus 9/4. So 12 divided by 4. 3 is the right answer of the problem. Xis are the sample means of the frequency distributions based on the method of the movements. क्या method of movements का होता है? You can find the mean of the fx. It must be equal to e of x. तो कैसे निकालोगे इसका मीन? Alpha into alpha plus 1 is outside. 0 to 1 x into ये वैल्यू, तो जैसे करोगे x की पावर अल्फा हो गया और 1 माइनस x विच इज इक्वल टू द मीन ऑफ द सैंपल. इसका मीन कितना हो गया? 3 + 3 6, 6 + 4 is 10. 1.4 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. तो सॉल्व कर लो इसको, कितना हो गया? अल्फा इंटू अल्फा प्लस 1. फाइन, इसकी इंटीग्रेशन कितनी हो गई? x की पावर अल्फा प्लस 1 ओवर अल्फा प्लस 1, x की पावर अल्फा प्लस 2 over alpha plus 2 from 0 to 1. Fine. You can take upper limit and lower limit. That will be 1 over alpha plus 1, 1 over alpha plus 2. Fine. You can take the LCM. एक alpha plus 1 cancel हो जाएगा. So that will be alpha plus 2 is 1 over 4. So if you solve them, 4 alpha minus alpha, so alpha will be 2 over 3. Fine. So 0.8666. So you can round off them to the two decimal places. So 0.67 is the correct answer of the problem. N of t is the Poisson process with the rate lambda. Then that's a very simple. Fine. Largest value क्या है इसमें से? 8. Fine. Poisson process है ना ये, इसको मैं with respect to 5 लिखना है मुझे. कैसे लिख सकता हूं? ये लिख सकता हूं मैं. फाइन, लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू से तो स्टार्ट करते हैं ना हम. क्लियर. इस वाली लाइन को आप x कह लीजिए. फाइन, इस वाली लाइन को आप y कह लीजिए. क्लियर. एंड बोथ आर इंडिपेंडेंट बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द पॉइसन प्रोसेस. तो x आपका क्या है? n of 5 which follows Poisson distribution with the parameter lambda into t. Lambda is my 1 and t will be 5. So lambda into 5, 5. और ये आपके पास y है. फाइन, y again follows the Poisson distribution with the parameter 8 minus 5, 3 into t, lambda into t, that is a 5. Fine, and both are my independent. So now your required target is to find the value of e of, that is a x plus y into n of 5. n of 5 को मैंने x लिया है. फाइन, इसको ओपन कर दो ब्रैकेट को, क्या हो गया? e of x square plus e of xy. Because x and y are independent, I can write as e of x into ey. So how you can find the e of y square? What is the variance of the x? Is for the Poisson distribution, variance and mean both are same. Fine. So can you find the e of x square? Variance of the x plus mean of the x square plus mean of the x 5, variance of the y, Poisson distribution 3. तो कितना आंसर हो गया ये? 5 plus 25 plus 15, 40 plus 5, 45 is the right answer of the problem. Look at the next one. Exercise follows the uniform distribution with parameter 1, 2. Your target is to find x3. Because the sample size is also 3, so x3 will be maximum of x1, x2, x3. फाइन. तो मैक्सिमम के केस में आप प्रोबेबिलिटी कैसे निकालते हो? आप इसे ऑर्डर स्टैटिस्टिक्स. फाइन, तो जब भी आपको xn हो, फाइन, x ऑफ n, इसको हमेशा लेस देन की फॉर्म में बनाते हो आप. फाइन, तो सबसे पहले इस चीज को क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x3 which is less than or equal to 1.5. Clear. Now since it is a uniform distribution, fine, तो ये 3 है ना आपके पास, that will be cube. x1 is less than equal to 1.5. Clear? How you can find the probability of uniform distribution x less than 1.5? Basically, they are talking about the CDF. CDF of the exponential, CDF of the uniform distribution. It is x minus lower limit divided by range. तो ये आपका कितना हो गया ये 1.5 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 which is 0.5. Answer will be 0.5 cube 125. So the answer is 0.875 is the correct answer of the problem. Clear? It's a very simple way I had solved for you. If you want to scan and join, if you want to join with me, you can scan and join my free WhatsApp group. I hope you can like and comment on this video. I will upload the next part very soon. Till then, you can share this video with your friends, like and comment on the videos. Thanks for the watching.